Worldwide based eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with a wingspan that can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan kalapad ang kanilang mga pakpak, lalo na pag umabot na sila kas sa kanya. And there you go. So that is Barak. Ang lumen ko makaw with Kuya Dexter na Kuya Dexter. Ayan. May pang-thesis ba tayo dyan Kuya Dexter? Wala na. Ayan. Once again, that is Barak. Our blue and gold makaw with a scientific name of Aralauna, meaning genius. So why do we call them geniuses? Because they have a mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak, ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. And just like most parrots guys, si Barak dito ay may tinatawag na zygojaxel-feet. So what is zygojaxel-feet nga ba? Ipapakita ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called Hada. Now Barak, suot and march down. Blue cars, isa kay zygojaxel-feet action. Cheers the front, cheers the back. Allowing them to guard items ng march ito. Left, right, left, right, left, and baba. Boy, at dahil dyan, may pa-high five siya. Kay Kuya Dexter ng high five para kay Kuya Dexter high five. And there you go. Isang beses pa. And there you go. And di lang yan. Si Barak ay napakalambing din. Ito yung gusto ni Kuya Dexter. Now Barak, kiss nga ito Kuya Dexter sa cheek. Isang beses lang. Kiss sa cheek Kuya Dexter. Isa lang sa cheek. Wow! Parang nabitin sa Kuya Dexter guys. Isa pa ba? Isa pa daw Kuya Dexter. Now Barak, kiss to Kuya Dexter pero hindi na sa cheeks. Saan gusto nyo guys?
Lips.
Ala, lips daw Kuya Dexter. Sabi nila, lips daw. Now Barak, kiss to Kuya Dexter sa lips. Isang beses lang. Wow! Hindi lang yan. Si Barak isang eco-warrior din. Who here segregates their trash? Sino dito ang segregate na kanilang mga basura? Taas sa kamay, nag-segregate. We have ma'am. We have kuya. Hala, yung iba di kayo nag-segregate. Don't be worried because this morning, tuturuan tayo ni Barak how to segregate our waste. Kung Barak, ng PNX na meron dyan, we have a biodegradable bin or nabubulok. At syempre, we also have a non-biodegradable or hindi nabubulok. At syempre, i-check na ni Barak kung gumagana ng Barak. Check the bins. At kung okay na siya sa man. At mukhang gumagana na yung dalawa. Kuya Dexter, Barak, are you ready? At the count of 3, lapat ng basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! So, unang pinukuha ni Barak, a piece of plastic. Saan nga ba ihari ang plastic, guys? Siyempre, so non-biodegradable. Good boy. Stop with the piece of plastic for this time. Plastic naman. Saan nga ba ihari ang plastic? So, yun non-biodegradable. Pwede naman basura ba mo this time? Leaf or dahon. Saan nga ba ilalagay ang dahon? Saan ilalagay ito ba? Siyempre, sa biodegradable na one last piece of trash. This time, leaf na naman. Saan nga ba ilalagay ang dahon guys? Obviously, sa biodegradable na baka naman natin super guys. As you can see guys, kung kaya niyo ba pag-segregate ng basura, siyempre, kaya din natin guys itong sanay na si JJ. Now once again, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Mindan meaning Mindanao and ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. For ang kanilang mga tuba, it comprises 30% of its body and they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sila sa malapitan. Now guys, legit yan, hindi sila nagpa-extension. And this morning, magpapakita-kila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tukak. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna. Okay, at the count, fly! What a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, if you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they are actually in mating ritual. So naliligaw po yung lalaki kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insect. Face by the famous Michael Jackson at Passion Boy. Pakita mo sa amin kung paano magbulok. Nagyan mo ng fitness. And tama na Apollo, baka managlag ka sa table. Now, hindi natin matatawag na multi-talented star si Apollo kung iisa lang kayang talent. He also acts kung umaarte din si Apollo, no? Yung arte yan parang good boy. So that is their natural reaction, guys. They are doing that. Ito, Apollo, kapalik ang ate lang. Ang bago nila ang Apollo. Ang Apollo, ang lagi lang. Okay. Patay, good boy, palakpakan naman. Okay ba? Let's take it sa bagay sila para walang bias na. So, ito si Mama Apollo. Tinatawarin ako ni Mama Apollo. Na Apollo, ito, look at Mama Apollo. Is she pretty? Is she good looking? Maganda ba si Ma'am? Wow! Magandang dila na nag-blush si Mama Apollo. Siyempre, maganda naman talaga siya. So, let's take it sa mga boys. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir Apollo? Pogi ba? Wow! First placer! Pang-Iron Man! Sikat si Boy! Pamakdon and para lang good boy! And to the kids out there, or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle, nothing to worry po because this morning, Jumbo will also show us how to ride a ding 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 scooter, no Jumbo, sakay ulit, and sigan, nakakala mo pa sa table, and para lang good boy. As you can see guys, even our animals love to help our mother nature. We can also do our part by doing the this Binturo, or locally known as the Binturo. Now guys, did you know that their tail acts as a filter, meaning it is prehensile in nature. The meaning of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga objects na kasigaling lang ng ating mga kamay at ipapakita po yun ni Denny. Ngayong umaga po. So Denny, show us your prehensile tail. Denny, are you ready to go down? Siyempre, pupunta muna si Denny sa kanyang pwesto. Ayan, hanggang pa ng pwesto ko yung Ichi. Denny, show us your prehensile tail. Sound. There you go. So that is their prehensile tail in action. They are doing that to want to grab something hanging from your branch. Palakpakan po namin si Teddy guys. Uno. And guys, pagpasensyahan po natin to si Uno kasi si Uno ay medyo mahiyain, no? And we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Kung ayaw talaga mag-perform po na ngayong umaga, si Kuya Mikey na lang yung partner ko natin sa tao para may performance tayo makita, no? Dahil joke lang. Pinibiro ko lang si Kuya Mikey. Now, the reason that there is bear in their names because they can stand up using their two hind legs at ipapakita po yun Uno. Now, Uno, up, and there you go. So that is their two hind legs in action. Thank you so much, Uno. Now, fun fact about Palawan Bearcats, their foot and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Ngayong umaga, anong pinapakain ko, Kuya Michael? Ano yan, guys? Saging or banana, which is fruit. So, omnivore sila. So, ito. Meron na naman ako. Na hindi pa naka-experience yung mga kahas, pwede mo natin nakita ang ating mga trainers na si Dexter at Sheldon. Same na. Yung mga ahas lang po.